Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to upload and manage media assets using Flotiq. Flotiq includes a media library where you can store and manage images, videos, and other files. In this video, we will show you how to upload media assets, organize them with tags, and access them from your content types. Step 1. Access the media library. To access the media library, log into your Flotiq account and navigate to the Media Library tab. Here, you can see all of your uploaded media assets, as well as organize them with tags and search for specific assets. Step 2. Upload media assets. To upload a new media asset, click on the drop files here or click to upload area and select the file you want to upload. Flotiq supports a wide range of file types, including images, videos, and documents. Step 3. Organize media assets with tags. Tags are a useful way to organize your media assets and make them easier to find. To add tags to a media asset, simply click on the asset's pencil icon and enter the tags in the Tags field. Step 4. Add media assets to your content types. Now that you have uploaded and organized your media assets, you can add them while working on your content types. When you create a new content type definition, you can select the media type property in every content type object. When you work on your content type object, you will see that property with an option to open Media Library. Here you can add previously uploaded assets or new files, which will be saved in your media library later. That's it for this tutorial on how to upload and manage media assets using Flotiq. With Flotiq's media library, it's easy to store and access your media assets, making it simple to add images, videos, and other files to your website or app. For more information, check out the Flotiq documentation on the media library.